Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the essential tools. Equip your Mystic Catalyst and a defensive trinket, then head to a calm spawn or PvE area to test. Once done, assign at least 3 points into Wits or Int so your Mystic abilities scale properly. This matters for damage and control. Make sure your keybinds are set Cast, Aim, Toggle stance, because muscle memory wins fights. Practice one basic spell combo twice to feel timing and range before moving on. You now execute the core combos that make Mystics effective. Begin with your primary cast, immediately follow with a mobility dash to close or reposition, then land a heavy AoE while enemies are grouped. Once finished, switch to a single target finisher on high-value foes. Time this around an 8 to 10 second cooldown rhythm so you never waste burst windows. Make sure to toggle stance to reduce crowd control vulnerability while you reposition. This keeps you alive and maintains sustained pressure. To finish fights cleanly, always reserve a small interrupt or displacement. Using it as a finisher secures kills and prevents counterplay. If your damage or utility feels underwhelming, double-check that Wits or Int are correctly invested and that your catalyst matches weapon scaling, mismatches cost-effectiveness. When things break, missed inputs or odd behavior, reset keybinds, strip temporary inventory debuffs, and practice the combo again in a safe zone. This troubleshooting step solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.